What's up, guys? I'm Donnie and you're watching Big Drone Flyer 77. Alright, we're going to go ahead and do a flight test with this. We're having some pretty bad weather. It's going to try to rain, so I want to do this as quick as possible and safely. So I want to keep this in the middle section there. That will be for GPS. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the transmitter. Just set that off the side because the grass is wet. Let me turn this guy on. He's on. In here, I went and put the memory card. It's right here on the side. And it wants a class 10 memory card. I did that. And I went ahead and took the little piece off of there. So we're going to go ahead and calibrate this thing. This one's going to go to bottom corner. This is going to go top corner. Okay, the lights just changed. I know you guys can't see that, but I'm going to look at that. Okay, we got the blue one. So I'm going to start rotating this until the lights change. Sorry I have you guys crooked on the hat cam. Okay, just turned green. So now I'm going to lift this thing up, and I believe it is counterclockwise on that. So we're going to go counterclockwise. With the nose up, I believe. I'll check the manual one more time. Just make sure I did it right, and if I didn't, I'll shut everything down and do it again. Okay, everything's flashing now. Okay, so we should be ready to go here. Let me okay, yeah, I'm in GPS mode right now. Is it locked? Yeah, it's fine. It's in GPS mode. Alright, we finally got it. Just didn't have enough satellites, guys. Let me see if I can get Wi-Fi at all. Yeah, I'm not getting Wi-Fi with this. I think my phone's too old for this one. Yeah, that's too old, guys. Alright, so we're going to ditch the phone for now. I apologize. For some reason, I just can't do it with these ones. Let's go take it up a little bit. Go check it out. See what kind of view this thing can get.
Days worried about the path that I pave. I've seen this world in black and white. It's color I crave. What do I have to draw myself inside these lines? Am I know? Sometimes I worry, I don't care. Am I anything, then say I'm not scared. But when I lose at anything, you know the game, it's unfair. I have to choose to draw myself inside these lines.
Yeah, not too bad. Floating around a little bit. I'm in GPS mode and it's floating around there. Pretty sporty. Thing's pretty fast. Wow. Pretty fast little guy. Oh, I'm surprised. We're in altitude hold right now. Not too bad, guys. I don't mind it. That's a good little flyer. I like it. I kind of don't like how the GPS system works, though. It's a little, I don't know, a little funky on it. But, you know, it's okay. See if it locks in. See, it don't lock. I don't get that. See, it doesn't make sense. It should lock right in. What about return to home when I do that? Nothing. Return to home ain't even working. So I guess if you take off out of GPS mode and go to altitude hold, guys, it won't work. You're gonna have to put it back on the ground. You're gonna have to put it back on the ground and take off. Make sure I don't hit my bag here. Okay. So what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to take off. You're gonna have to set this in GPS mode. Put the sticks in this way. Okay. That sets it in GPS mode. You click out of it, it'll only be altitude mode. It won't go back to GPS mode. At least that's what's happening with mine. See, now we should be locked in. See, now I'm locked in. Okay. So if I take it out of GPS mode and put it in altitude hold and then click it back into GPS, see, it won't work anymore. See that? So you're gonna have to go and keep it in GPS. If that's what you want to be in, make sure you keep it in GPS or this thing will take off on you. Alright, so let me bring this back down. Bring it back down. Alright, so I want to have it in GPS mode. Okay, so we're in the middle. Oh, okay, battery's getting low. Alright, let me shut off the film. Film shut off? Or was I hitting that? There we go. Film's... I think the film's off, or that's on like that, I think. Okay, film's off. GPS mode. These inwards. Wonder if one key takeoff works. There we go. There we go. One key takeoff. Oh, now it's getting all kind of weird. Now it's trying to take off on me. That was strange. Huh. I don't like that one key takeoff thing. That was weird. It's got headless mode, which I don't care for. I'm not going to use it. It's this button here. Speed rates. right here, high. Let's try high rate. I'm going to go in altitude hold. I think the battery's getting low. Yep, battery's getting low. Let me go in altitude hold. Here's fast rate. So we're not seeing the full fast rate. So I wasn't even in high whenever I did that. Uh-oh. No, get back here. Uh-oh, it's trying to return to home. Okay, scared me. Whew. Thought it was taking off. It's returning to home right now. Okay. Battery's low. God, you can't even stop it. I don't like that. You can't. I was going to bring it down as an altitude hold. I was just going to bring it down, but the failsafe makes it go into return to home, guys. So remember that. So at least you guys got to see that. Scared the living daylights out of me. I thought it was taking off on me. Can I move it over? Yes, I can. Okay, I'm going to bring it over here. Okay, now I could get a little more control of it. I clicked it down to return to home so I could get some control of it. Okay, so I could at least get it close to where I want it to be now. Okay, there we go. Oh, look at that. Perfect. All right, guys. Hey, not too bad. Scared the living daylights out of me whenever you got the low warning sign. Let me snap off a couple pictures real quick while I'm right here. Okay, so anyways, when you hear this beeping like that, come and land it right away. It will come back to you as long as you took off in GPS where you were at, and thank God I did, because I don't know what it would do. I was in altitude hold and it automatically returned to home and scared the living daylights out of me. So alright guys, it's the GoolRC, it's the Binge 1. Thank you RC Moment, and I apologize it took me so long to get this. Now that Ivan left, I got a new rep, so hopefully everybody be happy with this. So it's a good flyer, guys. It's not bad at all. It's pretty darn quick too. So the GPS is a little funky to get used to, but once you get used to it, I'm sure a few more flights I'll have this down, and then I could give you guys more info. So as at least, you know, when it gets a little bit better weather and things like that, I'm going to take this out. I'm going to take a lot of things out. You know, we're going to go give them a test. So but for now, it did good. It did what it needed to do, guys. So thanks a lot for watching. God bless. Cheers and happy flying, guys.